Hi guys, welcome back to a new tutorial. In this video we are going to see how to integrate the OpenCV within Jetson Nano, and I already wrote the blog in Medium, so how to integrate the Webcam and then how to set the OpenCV like publisher subscriber example with an node subscriber and topic to how to subscribe with an subscriber node of OpenCV thing. So well, in this video we will understand how to build the package. That also I given in my Medium blog, so I will give those things in my description, follow that. So and also I will explain how to set up those publisher node and subscriber node for the OpenCV to receive the image information from one publisher to one subscriber. So here the main is on the topic which is we are going to use is in Jetson underscore webcam is a topic of the publisher, and the publisher topic will be subscribed with Jetson Nano of publisher node. So we'll start with the video. We'll go to the Medium blog. So this is a Medium blog. So first in this I will explain the step by step how to integrate the Webcam with the Jetson. So we'll use this ls dev video 0. So it will show the video input in the terminal. So using that we can identify that the system is enabled with the camera or not, the driver is enabled with the camera or not, so that we can identify from that. So then after we can use this NVZ capture, so it will be show the orientation of the camera view using this command line. So then we need to use this package creator thing. So I already created this, so you can follow that. ROS2 create, build, man Python OpenCV toolkit is an package name, and the essential dependencies also it will install with this. Okay, the OpenCV bridge is used to non-ROS programs. So like if you using any non-ROS program, we'll need to use the bridge, right? So here the OpenCV is a non-ROS program, so we need to include this thing with our system, right? So with our ROS system. So for that we'll use a CV bridge, and CV bridge will be convert the OpenCV image to the ROS image. So like that we need to use. So and this is a node for publisher. So we'll start with a video tutorial of how to integrate and create a package. So that so we'll enter into the OpenCV directory, then we'll need to source it. Then after we'll enter into the OpenCV underscore toolkit, right? Give enter OpenCV underscore toolkits. Give ls. I already created this basic underscore image dot publisher dot py. So it will be show the things like basic underscore publish image dot py. So here this is a publisher node. So we'll import this CV py. So for the ROS enable thing, the nodes and the image like in sensor like a message type we need to include, and the CV bridge and the OpenCV also we imported, right? So then after we give the function statement, in that we give the name for the node is in publisher underscore image publisher. So then the topic of this node is Jetson underscore webcam. So using this topic we are going to publish the image information from the image frame. Okay, so we need to subscribe this Jetson underscore webcam to the subscriber topic. Okay, so right, so this is a publisher node. Okay, so now we created the publisher node, that also I given in my Medium blog, you can follow that. So for this we need to launch and we need to create a package launch file, right? So for that we need to enter into this setup.py, go get into that setup.py. So here you can find out that I give the package name which I created the node name like image underscore publisher dot py. So here is an image underscore pub, and then inside the CV bridge tool, inside the OpenCV tools and basic image dot py I included. So this directory and the package name I given as an image dot py. Okay, OpenCV is an package name. Inside that we have the basic underscore image publisher, right? So here is one package name, the image underscore py, right? So now we enter into the subscriber thing. I will explain that. So here get edit basic image publisher dot py. So here the same libraries we imported. Then after we give the class statement with the function thing. Here you can find out that the image underscore publisher is a node name, and it subscribed to Jetson underscore webcam. So the publisher topic is a Jetson underscore webcam, right? So here we publisher with this, subscribe with this. So the publisher node will be communicate by using this topic. So if example, the publisher subscriber node example only. So the topic is a main role in this thing. So the frame also, receiving frame we give within loop statement. So that is an we'll see in a hands-on now. So this code also I given in my Medium blog. You can take off from that. So here I'll go show that. Go to this get edit setup.py. Sorry, setup.py. Here you can find out that image img underscore pub equal to OpenCV is a package name, OpenCV tools the package name, and then the basic image subscriber. So the basic image subscriber is in the node which we created, right? So inside the OpenCV tool package we created a basic image subscriber node inside that. So we give the name as an image underscore pub. Okay, now we'll launch. So give source install. Okay, we escape from this OpenCV underscore CV. Source install setup.bash. Okay, now we give the source install setup.bash, right? So then now we'll launch this thing, ROS2 run OpenCV tool image.pub. Okay, so now the image is publishing, right? The node is working. So go to this terminal and type ROS2 topic list. Okay, you can see that Jetson underscore webcam, right? Now we'll go to this terminal and type OpenCV source install setup.bash. Okay, now source install setup.bash. So here now we'll type ROS2 run open tools and then the image pub. So now the image is receiving here, right? So you can find out from this frame. So we'll open another terminal with the RQD to visualize the things, how it's communicate between the publisher and the subscriber thing. So the image node I already given as an image underscore publisher, which have the topic of Jetson underscore webcam, and using this topic it's publishing the image to the publisher underscore subscriber thing. So the thing is the image underscore publisher is publishing the camera image from one node to another node using a Jetson underscore webcam image. So like this we can use this topic with an obstacle avoidance thing algorithm or any YOLO object detection. So in image publisher thing there will be any obstacle avoidance or object detection or image segmentation node or any other YOLO model. So we can send the image by using this single topic of Jetson underscore image. So node which we are going to create, a driver is an publisher underscore. So this is going to publish the image information. So like this we need to do the AI based projects or any other things within ROS2. So if you going to integrate any arco marker or April tag, so this image underscore publisher is going to publish the information to the arco marker or April tag. So using that we can do the landmark localization or any other to do the automatic charging systems or any other things. So using this publisher node to the arco marker or April tag. So thank you. We'll see in next video how to integrate the April tag and arco marker with an publisher node of Jetson webcam, and then we'll finally see how to localize the things and how to pick and place this arco marker technique within Robotics. Thank you. We'll see in next video.